Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Way here, and before you go any further in this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also turn your post notification bell on to be notified the next time I post in the future. So for today's video, we will definitely be looking at the XX Revolution new launch collection type of thing, but these are just the few things that I've received so far in the post, and hopefully my next upload should be a full face of the XX Revolution collection. My face is looking well beat. You can definitely comment down below and let me know what you guys think, what you guys may pick up from this video. I hope it was very helpful with pricing, etc. So I'm super excited to show you guys this lovely collection from XX Revolution. I will be showing you what I did receive is the concealer XX, and this is a super fix concealer in CX 12.5. Look how stunning this packaging is right here. Sleek black packaging with the silver X marking on it. It is stunning. I'm going to open it up for you guys on camera. Okay, so this is how sleek this concealer is looking. This is once again CX 12.5. This is how cute the doe foot applicator looks like. It looks literally like a foot, like a shoe. Look cute that is. Like, you've never seen anything like it. It is super cute. My only con so far with this product, it does carry a very strong scent, and I feel like I'm very sensitive to scents, so it does smell a bit stink to me. But the next face product I've picked up or received today is the XX Fine Brow Micro Brow Pencil in soft black. This is how sleek the pencil is looking. It does carry a bit of weight on it. Now, before I did have a fear that it would probably be too dark, but hopefully it is not. But this is the swatch of the soft black, the concealer in 12.5. This is the brow pencil in soft black. This is the highlighter in Radio Wave, and this is the gloss in Heroine. Watch this. Before I jump right into the video, I'll definitely be showing you my mystery bag. The bag cost £30. So let's see what's inside. Just open it up. Ooh. My favorite sponges from Makeup Revolution. This is literally one of my favorite sponges, and this is priced at £5. The next thing that I got, the Onyx primer. So this is the blurring and mattifying black gel primer. Ooh, we shall definitely be trying this out today. This is how it looks like, and that's how it looks on the skin. We shall definitely see how it performs, and that's how it looks blended out. I don't like the fact that it's black, but we shall see how it looks on my face. The next product that I did receive in my mystery bag is the Retro Luxe Metallic Lip Kit. And this is the packaging, and this is see how it looks on if I decide to use it today. It's metallic too, so definitely this is not my cup of tea, but I may can use it in my waterline, so it may not go to waste. And this is the lipstick. It does have a weird scent to me, and that's how that looks like. They're very reflective, by the way. So this palette is called the Revolution Pro HD Amplified Palette. It is the Mega Matte, and in this palette it comes with blushes, contour shades, and so I may end up using this shade today because that looks like it would work well for me. So starting off with the XX Fine Brow Pencil, I'm just brushing up my hairs. My brows definitely need to be done, but what can I say? Right off the bat, this pencil is very creamy. The only sad thing, I feel like I'm gonna run out of this product very fast, but I can't really complain for £7, to be honest. I'm gonna do my eyes off camera for the gram to finish off my face using the rest of the Revolution products that I do have. I'm gonna take the Revolution Onyx primer, and this is the blurring and mattifying black gel primer, and this is how it looks. I do have oily skin, not like the fact that this is black. Feels so weird. I don't think I like this at all. Let's see how my makeup looks on top. For foundation today, I'm going to take my NYX Born to Glow, and this is in the shade Cappuccino. And I pray to God this looks good because this primer is bleak. I don't know if I should make it dry a bit. Now that I'm finished applying my NYX Born to Glow foundation in the shade Cappuccino, I'm going to take my Conceal XX Super Fix Concealer in the shade CX 12.5. Is described as a concealer with a golden undertone. I love the fact that the concealer is not feeling too heavy on my face, and the color I'm not mad at, and it's meant to be a concealer with a golden undertone. The doe foot applicator is so unique, and I love how flat that foot part is, and I love the fact that it doesn't wipe off product underneath, because you can see my Born to Glow foundation is still has that dewy type of look to it, and it has not moved any product so far. Because I've wet the sponge already, I'm not going to take my Revolution sponge to show you guys, but I'm sure that blends up beautifully, I'm not going to lie. No, I think I'm in love with this concealer because it's blending in really well. Like, look at that so far, like, whoa. Look how smooth that is. Like, girl, look at that side not blended and this side blended. Look how stunning this looks on my face, guys. Beautiful. For the fact that this concealer is looking like this on my face, and on top of that you have a selection of 55 shades to choose from, and I'm not even in the dead stop middle. You all need to go and cop this. Like, I'm seriously really in love with this. And this concealer is priced at £10. £10. Like, it reminds me of high-end product. It's very, very lightweight, full coverage, blends like a dream. Like, girl, concealer does not dry down too fast, so if you're someone that likes to let it sit and wait, you have time to play around with this concealer. It is very beautiful. My face with the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Kunafa. I've set this side already, and this side is not set, so you can see how beautiful powder sits on top. I'm just bouncing this powder in the face. I'm not leaving it to bake. I'm not a baker. So I'm just pressing it into the skin. Bronze up my face. I'm gonna take this that I got into the mystery box, and I'm gonna shade the shade Coco Loco. I hope it looks beautiful on. Ooh, it's pigmented, and the color actually looks really beautiful. Ooh. It does have kickback in the pan also. Look at my face. Okay, now that I've finished my face base, I'm going to go into the highlighter. And once again, the highlighter is XX Posure highlighter, which is a multi-dimension powder in radio wave. I literally just digged into it, so you know who's pissed right now. I sure am. Especially when it's a new product and you dig into it. It's mad. But I'm taking my Tix highlighter brush. I thought it would have been too dark for my complexion, but it seems to be okay. Would prefer something a bit lighter, but on the natural side, it is beautiful. For my lips, I've just applied my Morphe Trendsetter lip liner and my KKW nude lipstick in number 4 and a little bit of the Huda Beauty Bored Me In matte lipstick. So for topper, I'm going to use the XX Revolution gloss. One is in the shade Heroine. This gloss, right off the bat, this gloss does look beautiful on the lips. Off the bat, this lip gloss gives you a lovely sheen. So you can see it's gorge. Now, I cannot lie to you, like literally, I love every single thing from this collection so far. I can't wait to receive the rest of my stuff in the mail. I hope you guys did enjoy this look. This eye look would definitely be up on my Instagram now. I'm a person that loves color. I love bold colors. So, okay, now that I've finished my look, you guys can see how stunning my face looks. It's sad that I didn't get to use all Makeup Revolution products as yet, but I'll definitely be doing a part 2. I hope from watching this video, you guys will definitely pick up a few items. This concealer is priced at £10. It is very sleek in packaging. It does remind me of a luxurious concealer, which is probably cost at like 20 something pounds. It does give me that luxurious type of effect for the price point. It does have a bit of weight to it. I love the fact that you do get a lot of product into it. Let me see how much product you actually get into this concealer. So basically, this is the XX Revolution Super Fix Concealer. This is meant to be crease proof, life proof, full coverage concealer. So far, I can say I do have creasing. I'm not sure how long it lasts on the skin because I have not done a wear test yet. The coverage is full, and I like how weightless it is on the skin. I don't feel like creasing is something you can get away from either. If you've ever gotten away with your creases after using concealer, then let me know what product that is so I can check it out. But other than that, I don't feel like I've buck upon a concealer that it's dead on making me look like a proper filter without creases, if that makes sense. This concealer also claims to conceal and brighten, covering blemishes, dark circles, and redness. Stretchable formula with no flashback. That's yet to be determined, but I'm loving how it looks on my skin. I love the color choice that I chose. Once again, is 12. The formula does remind me of the Jeffree Star concealer. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna swatch these 3 concealers for you guys. So this is the XX Revolution concealer in 12.5, Revolution Conceal and Define Infinity Concealer in 12.5, and this is the Jeffree Star concealer in C22. And these two, as I said, the formula to me are dead on the same, like lightweight and full coverage. So this is the swatch of the Revolution one. You can see right off the bat how much product you get on one swipe. This is the doe foot applicator for the Jeffree Star concealer. Swatch of this concealer, and you can see how they're both looking lightweight. They're kind of similar in color as well. And then the last one that I'm going to swatch that's actually in the Revolution family is the Conceal and Define one. You can see the doe foot applicator and how thick it is. That's the concealer right there. That's concealer right there. Now obviously this one is more of a heavy and more fuller in coverage, whereas in these two are very lightweight but still full coverage. But as I said, it all depends on your preference, and that's it. And I don't know if I'm the only one, but you can definitely comment down below. I feel like anytime I use this concealer, I get a little burning sensation under my eyes. Even when I was putting it on my hand, I could feel it comparing to the other two. So if I were to choose out of the two, you should know already, I'm gonna go for it. This one, which is £10, and this one, I think it's £7. Yeah, I think this one is £7. When I'm looking for a concealer, I do prefer a lightweight but yet still full coverage concealer. Now that is my preference. If you guys prefer something that's heavy and full coverage, there's definitely a lot of those in the market, but for me, I prefer lightweight. I forgot to mention how stunning this palette is also. I honestly don't know the price of it, but you can definitely pick it up, and it's the Revolution Pro HD Amplified palette. So you'll definitely find this in the Pro collection. And if you guys would love loads of discounts, you can definitely download an app called Honey on your laptop, and regardless whichever site you shop from, it will help you. It will automatically put in a discount code for you in whichever app you decide to purchase from. So if it's like Pretty Little Thing, Beauty Bay, Revolution site, Boots, or thingy, it will definitely generate a coupon code for you. And it's between fashion, makeup, or whatever the case may be. Now, it's not all stores it may work in, but it definitely works 90% of the time. That I'm getting, I did get 10% off it, and I think this promotion also is in aid of Black Lives Matter situation, but you guys can definitely get it from there. And also another plus, from if you purchase from Revolution, you can definitely get the mystery box, which is what I opened for you guys today on camera. So I hope you guys do enjoy this little informative video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And why not join the family? Like, why not be a part of this beautiful growing family? Now we've reached the end of my video. I hope you guys did. Definitely comment down below what you guys liked or loved from this video, and what you may purchase from seeing it on me. Once again, I'm in the shade Cappuccino in NYX. I'm in the shade NC50 in MAC. I'm also the shade Sandalwood in Estee Lauder. Lancome, I'm shade 11, which I think in America is 500, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, this is the end results.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.